Are you ready? I have the DJI controller. I don't remember the exact name for it, but it's DJI controller. And this is it right here. This is the DJI RC Pro. And I've got to say, it is one of the most phenomenal and amazing controllers that I've tried when it comes to actually flying a drone. It's made, this is not an official review, I just wanted to give my first impressions. So I was doing a lot of research before I bought it. I have the DJI Air 2S, which is an amazing drone. I didn't want to pay the $5 grand for the Mavic 3 just to get this controller. So I did some research and it turns out that the DJI RC Pro is compatible with the DJI Air 2S. I didn't know this and it was kind of hard to find, but if you're looking to get the RC Pro, do it. Don't get the smart controller. I think they stopped making them or something, but they're not as good as this. This thing is amazing. Get the DJI RC Pro if you have the Air 2S. First impressions. This thing has been a pleasure to work with. Like, I love getting out and actually flying the drone. Oh man, I can't tell. I hate taking out my phone. Like, taking out my phone, it doesn't work. It makes me not want to fly a drone ever again. Yeah, update, whatever. Why would I pay? I paid so much for this, and I will say this. When I got this, I was hesitant. I had it in mind. I was like, if I don't like this thing, I'm gonna return it. I was looking for ways to not love it, and I was actually looking for ways to return it so that I can get my money back, because who doesn't want money back? Anyways, needless to say, I've kept it, and I am keeping it because it is so good. The joysticks are amazing. The way when you fly, it is a totally different experience than your stupid little control, which, by the way, I'm selling it. If you want it, let me know. It's like 50 bucks that I'm selling it for. The LCD screen, oh bless the LCD screen. Having the phone and having it dim down or overheat in the middle of a shoot when you're flying, it's the most stupidest thing that could ever happen to a filmmaker. And to be honest with you, I hate it. I don't fly the drone because I hate taking out my phone. I hate the process of taking it out of the case, putting a cable on the side, attaching it weird, hoping that the cable stays attached. And this has just made it so much easier. I want to fly the drone. I want to go out there and I want to get creative with this. I actually got to the point where I spent the whole day just calibrating this and getting creative with it, and actually getting better at flying the drone, which I wouldn't have done in the past. But because this tool has allowed me to do so, it's become it's my favorite tool, and I fly the drone almost every time. I find excuses to fly the drone now because this makes it that much easier, and it's so quick. It's like there. It doesn't come with any case. The case that you guys just saw is a Pelican 1170. This is the case that I use for this. I think this is for handguns. It's for anything, not just for handguns, guys. Come on. Anyways, Pelican 1170. Get it if you're gonna get this, if it's just right. Got some cache videos. I love this. It actually caches into your into the device. It is a tablet, actually, believe it or not. See, it's a tablet. You can go into internet, YouTube. You can go anywhere here. Let's see. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, this is an amazing tool. If you find yourself not flying the drone because you don't want to take out your phone, and I know it can sound a little bit petty, But to be honest with you, it makes a huge difference when you actually want to go out and shoot and you have the right tools to help you do that versus finding it a hassle. Because let's be honest, we all got into this, or most of us got into this because we actually love shooting and we love doing this kind of stuff. So find the right tools that are going to make you actually want to go get creative and shoot more of what you love. So this is definitely one of those tools that's going to stay with me for a very long time. I don't see myself getting rid of this. Okay, so anyways, I will say if this is something that you want and you feel like is going to help you go out and shoot more, get it. It's worth it. It is definitely worth it. DJI RC Pro.